विनायक नमस्तुभ्यं सततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुमरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि। श्रीरघुरामचारुतुलसीदलधाम शमक्षमादिशृङ्गारगुणाभिराम त्रिजगन्नुतशौर्यरमाललाम दुर्वारुकबन्धराक्षसविराम जगज्जनकल्मषार्णवोत्तारकनाम भद्रगिरिदाशरथी करुणापयोनिधि। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरोह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्। So thanks for joining today. We are continuing the remaining half of the 14th Sarga. So yesterday we saw the entry of Dasharatha to the Yajnashala and how he has all the Ritviks, other Brahmana, etc., how they have served food arrangements there and all of that, how they were in between, doing some intellectual debates, discussions, etc. We'll continue from the Shloka 20th. So Adya Adjatana Panchangam Sharvari Nama Samvatsare Uttarayane Shishyaritau Phalguna Mase Purnima Tithihi. Then Sthiravasaraha Uttara Phalguni Nakshatram, but ending very soon, 8:56 a.m., followed by Hasta Nakshatram all the way till tomorrow morning. Okay. So we were at this 20th shloka. Karmantare tada vipra hetuvadan bahunapi prahusma vagmino dhira paraspara jigishaya, in order to win over each other. Divase divase tatra samstare kushaladvija sarva karmani chakruste yatha shastram prachoditaah. As instructed, as motivated, as learnt by Shastras. Na shadanga vidatrasit, na vrato, na bahushrutah, sadasyastasya vairagnu, na vada kushaladvijah. So till there we read yesterday. We'll continue from the 20th shloka. So from here onwards, it is more description of the vyavastha of the Ashwamedha Vedi. After that, we'll skip some shlokas, because I myself am not convinced about serenity nor acceptance for today's time of those procedures. So we'll skip that later. Prapte yopochraye tasmin.
Prapte yopochraye tasmin.
Shadbailva khadiras-tatha.
Shadbailva khadiras-tatha.
Tavanto bilva sahitah.
तावन्तो बिल्वसहिताः
पर्णिनश्च तथा परे.
पर्णिनश्च तथा परे.
So various types of trees, their trunks are brought here. So Yupachrayaha, Yupa is a stambha in a way. If you see most of our programs when we do, we erect several, wooden stambhas, right? And on that we do some achadanam, or we might hoist some flags, dhwajas on them. So Yupaha is the wooden thing. So prapte yupachraye tasmin, having brought several yupas, shad bailvaha, bilva, we know bilva tree, bilva patram we say, right? So that bilva tree, but one of the form of it, bailva, something of bilva is bailva, something of Mithila is Maithili, like that. So shad bailva, 6 bilva trees. Khadiras tatha, there is khadira trees. Khadira is the tree name of that is khadira. So 6 bailvas, shad khadiraha tatha, tavanto bilva sahitaha, some related to bilva, one of the bilva species. Parninascha tatha pare, parnina is palasha, they say. So palasha is a tree which is, I don't know if it is used in other languages. In Telugu we use palasha. It's a Sanskrit word. I don't know if it is used in other languages, but typically one of the branch of that is given as the danda for the Vatu in the Upanayanam time. So that is the palasha tree. So palasha, bilva sahita, khadiraha, bailvaha, these are the trees that are brought there. Some more are coming now.
So the one we use for summit during is that when we say summit, I don't know where is that the Sanskrit word, or what we use during Gayatri Homam, all that, is that palasha tree? Is it from?
No. The danda that is given for the Vatu, right? For the Vatu we give a danda.
Okay.
That danda is the palasha tree typically. It might vary from region to region based on which trees are more available there, but generally palasha danda is given.
Okay.
Because these are strong trunk based trees, so they take branches from there which will be strong enough and not heavy also. Shleshma takamayastveko,
Shleshma takamayastveko,
devadarumayastatha,
devadarumayasthatha,
dvaveva tatra vihitau,
dvaveva tatra vihitau,
bahuvyasta parigrahau.
Bahuvyasta parigrahau.
So Shleshmatakamaya iti. So Shleshmatakamaya is another tree, which is Rajyudala Vikaraha. There is one Raju. From its bark, typically they dry the bark, and if they turn it, they can make rajus. They make the ropes out of that. So Shleshmatakam, Shleshma is such as phlegm is also in Ayurveda Bhasha, Shleshma is phlegm also. So which means there is probably some gum tree, because even I do not know which tree is what. In botany terms, I too do not know. But generally we know them by that name only. I have not looked at them. But so I'm guessing that because it is also called Rajyudala, because Raju can be made out of it. Raju is the rope. They make ropes out of the bark of it, because the bark is wet with sap, etc. I guess. So Shleshmatakamayah. Next one is Devadaru. We know Devadaru, right? Devadaru is a very strong wood, which is also used for tables, etc. nowadays. Devadarumayastata tatha dvaveva tatra vihitau. Only 2 are brought. Bahuvyasta parigrahau, which are strong to be on both sides. Both sides of what? It will be described next. Ayamatra Vinyasa Kramaha, having brought various trees which are Shad Bailvaha, Shad Khadiraha, Bilvasahitaha, Parninaha, Sleshmatakamayah, Devadarumayah, having brought all these trunks, Yupaha, how are they arranged? Is what, just for information, we will study the Bhashyam. Though it is not explained in the shlokas, Govindaraja Bhashyam describes that in detail. So, Ayamatra Vinyasa Kramaha, how they are put in the order, is being explained here. Rajyudalo Agnishtaha. Agnishtaha. What does Agnishtaha mean? Agnishtoma, we say, right? So, Agnau Tishtati iti Agnishtaha. Agni Shabdena, Agnisthana Vedi Ruchyate. Not that wood that is put in Agni, but Agni Vedi Sthanam. Agnisthana Vedi is referred by Agni Shabda here when they say Agnishtaha. So, Ardhamantra Vedi, Minuyad Artham, Bahir Vedi, iti Shrutehe. So, in order to explain here, he is also quoting the specific mantras from the Shrutis. So, Agnishtaha Prathama Yupaha. So, the first stamba that is placed is at the Agnishta. And we said Agnishta means Agnau Tishtati, which means Agni Sthana Vedi. So, wherever is the Agni Sthana Vedi, just next to it is the Prathama Yupaha that they put. So, Agnishtaha Prathama Yupaha. Again, what is the reference? Tan Agnishta Prathaman Mantrena Chinatti iti Sutrat. First chinnam, first digging hole is done for Agnishta Prathaman Mantrena iti. Tasya Dakshina Uttara Parshvayoho Devadaru Yupau. So we read here, right? Dvaveva, two Devadaru Yupa, which means one Devadaru and one Sleshmatakamaya. So, Tasya Dakshina Uttara Parshvayoho Devadaru Yupau are placed. So now three it became, right? One Yupa in the beginning, in the center, Yupachraya at the Agnishtoma. On both sides, Devadaru Yupa. So three became three. Tesham Trayanam Dakshinastrayo Bailvaha Uttarastrayaha. So if you see, we said there were Shad Bailvaha, if you remember. Right? Dvaveva Devadarumayaha, Shad Bailvaha. So the Shad Bailvaha are arranged Tesham Trayanam. So Agnishta Yupa in the center, Devadaru on both sides. So three it became. Of these three, Dakshinaha Trayaha Bailvaha, Uttaraha Trayaha Bailvaha. On both sides, three each of Bailva Yupaha are placed. So how many it became now? Three in the center, three Bailvaha to the right, three Bailvaha to the left, or to the east, to the south, and to the north. So 9 it became. Tesham Navanam Dakshinaha Trayaha Khadiraha Uttarastrayaha. So we said Khadiraha also Shad Khadiraha. Bailva Shad Bailvaha Khadiras Tatha. We said Tatha means likewise 6 more Khadiraha. So Navanam, of these 9, 3 Dakshinastrayaha Khadiraha Uttarastrayaha. So 3 Khadiraha to the Dakshina, 3 Khadiraha to the Uttara. So that means 9 plus 6, 15 now. Tesham Panchadashanam Dakshinastrayaha Palashaha Uttarastrayaha. So 6 Palashaha, Palasha Vrikshaha also. So 3 this side, 3 that side. So 15 plus 3, 18 it became now. 15 plus 6, 21 it became. Right? Prathama Agnishta Yupa, Devadaru 1 each on both sides. And then Bailvaha 3 on each sides. Then Khadiraha 3 on each sides. And then finally Palashaha. So it totally added up to 21. Tesham Panchadashanam Palashaha Uttarastrayaha. So Palasha Vrikshasam, 3 on both sides. Now, Prathamam Palasha Shatkam Ante Bilva Shatkam Va. Prathamam Palasha Shatkamante Bilva Shatkam Va. Sarvatha Khadiraha Eva Bilva Sahitaha. So when they say Bilva Sahita, Khadiras are always with Bilva trees. So the order is, Bilva, then Khadira, then Palashaha, like that. The order is being mentioned here. Vinyasa Kramaha. Na punah Palashaha. Tamimam Artham Granthakaro Bilva Sahita iti Suchitavan. Apastambascha Sutrayat Rajjudalam Ekam Vimshati Aratnim Samvinoti. So he is quoting just to explain or just to validate this krama. He is quoting it from Apastamba Sutra, a big sutram here. Uttarastrayaha, Palashaha, Dakshinastrayaha, Uttarataha, iti. Evam, Yupanam Uchrayana Kramam Uktva, Tesham Antarala Pradesha Vistaram Darshayati Dvaviti. What is the gap in between them? Tatra Yupeshu. Dvau dvau bahuvyasta parigrahau. What is the distance to be put between them? Bahuvyasta. Dvau bahuvyasta parigrahau. Hastantar, we say right in Shaka. Hastantar, we do this 2 hands. So 2 hands distance. That is the distance between each of these yupas. Vyastau bahu vyastau. Vyastaha is the gap. So bahu vyastau. Dau bahu vyasta parigrahau. Tabhyam parigrahaha sparshaha yayoho tau. So that is the kramaha there. 21. Now, Karita sarva evaite. Somebody.
Karitaha sarva evaite.
Karita sarva evaite.
Karita sarva evaite.
Shastrajnair yajnako vidaihi.
Shastrajne yajnako vidaihi.
Shobhartham tasya yajnasya.
Shobhartham yasya tasya yajnasya.
Kanchana alankrita bhavan.
Kanchanan krita bhavan.
So now these are placed. Sarva eva ete, these yupaha, shastrajnaihi kovidaihi, by shastrajnas and kovidas, shobhartham, for shobha, right? For shobha means for the grandeur.
Ambience.
For the ambience, grandeur. Kanchanalankritaha abhavan. Oh, Srirangji. Srirangji? Yeah, we started, yeah. Oh, is it? What to do? We already, some people have joined, so what to do? Correct. We have already joined. I don't see it now. Okay, now I see it. Okay, yeah, okay. I admitted Shyamji. I don't see your request. Maybe can you join one more time? Log out and join. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, today I didn't put 2 screens, so when I'm on the slide, I'm not seeing the. And this is one bad thing with Google Meet. Google Meet, even if I share, it will be on another window. It doesn't overlap into the same window, unlike Zoom. So the window of the participants and all, I don't see it. I have to keep doing Alt Tab. Okay, Srirangji is also here. Good. Okay. So Shobhartham, Shyamji and Srirangji, sorry. But anyway, welcome. Swagatam.
Bhogaji, if you feel there are more such people joining in, you want to make any of them co-hosts so that way you will not get disturbed. At least others will get to know that somebody is waiting.
Google Meet doesn't have that co-host.
Oh, okay.
That's another limitation here.
All right.
Yeah. So Karitaha sarva evaite shastrajnair yajnakovidaihi shobhartham tasya yajnasya kanchanalankritaha bhavan. So they made kanchana alankrita with golden wraps or whatever, right? They wrapped these for shobhartham with kanchana, with golden. Ekavimshati yupaste
एकविंशतियूपास्ते
एकविंशत्यरत्नयः
एकविंशत्यरत्नयः
वासोभिरेकविंशद्भिः
वासोभिरेकविंशद्भिः
एकैकं समलङ्कृताः.
एकैकं समलङ्कृताः.
So ekavimshati yupaha te. So we already counted, there are 21 yupaha. Te ekavimshati aratnayaha. So aratnayaha are monies. Tesham sankhya pramano darshayati ekavimshati iti. Te yupaha ekavimshatihi supam sulak ityadi sulopaha. Ekavimshatyaratnayascha, which means ekavimshati aratna yudna ityarthaha. Ratnaha. Ekavimshataratnaya ityukte ratnaha ityarthaha. Chaturvimshatyala angulayoho aratnihi. Sorry, my bad. So aratna here is not a money related thing. Chaturvimshatyangulayoho aratnihi. He's telling the height of those yupas. So Chaturvimshati angulaha, 24 inches, is one aratnihi. Ekavimshatyaratnayaha. So the height of it is 24 inches is one aratni. That means about 2 feet, let us say. 2 feet is one aratni. 21 such aratnis, that means 42 feet high, each upastambha is they have erected there. So Chaturvimshatyalam angulayaha aratnihi iti sutram. So ekavimshatbhihi iti karalopa bahuvachane arshe. Ekaikam iti samanye napunsakam. So ekaikam, each of that is 42 feet from our point of view, which means 21 times 24 inches. That is the height of each one of them. Vinyasta vidhivat sarve.
Vinyasta vidhivat sarve.
Shilpibhis sukruta dridhaah.
Shilpibhih sukrita hura.
Ashtashrayas sarva eva.
Ashtashraya sarva eva.
Slakshna rupa samanvitaah.
Shlaksha rupa samanvitaah.
Uttamam. So in the previous one we said, okay, that was only height. Ekavimshatyaratnayaha. Then vasobhihi ekavimshatbhihi ekaikam samalankritaah. Each of that yupa pole is well decorated by vasobhihi. Vasaha is cloth, dress or cloth. So ekavimshatbhihi ekaikam samalankritaah. Each tree is decorated with again cloths. So there was golden wrap first, and then nice cloth based decorations also. We see, right? I mean, because even today, I remember when we erect for any programs, when they put these stambhas, the wooden poles, to decorate it, they put nice colored cloths, pink one, yellow one, green one, various colored cloths they do wrap around these stambhas, upastambhas. So the same thing is being explained here. So how old is our culture? How living is the culture? Yesterday in Dharma Ambassador Prasekshana Varga also, we were talking the same thing. That it is a living continuum for millennia of years. Read Ramayana also, we see the same things as being done today also. It's a great feeling when we study it that way. So now, vinyastaha vidhivat sarve shilpibhihi sukrita dridhaha ashtashrayah sarvaeva slakshna rupa samanvitaha. So yupasthapana vishesham uktva anuvada purvamaha vinyasta iti. What is it? So having explained about the yupasthapana vishesham in the previous 2 shlokas, having explained that in the previous 4 shlokas in fact. And now they are talking about how they vinyastaha, how they are done. So shilpibhihi sukrutaha sushtuhu krutaha anyunati krita dridhaha sushiriti. Okay, so ashtashrayah ashtakotayah, so 8 sets. Striyah palyashraya kotayah ityamaraha slakshna rupa samanvitaha means yupa bhyanjanena snigdha rupa yuktaha. Yupa abhyanjanena, with these decorations around these yupa, they are looking like slakshna rupa or snigdha rupa yuktaha. Snigdha is, one is oily, but the other one is also beautiful, right? Because of that moisture look, it gives beauty. So that's why snigdha is either for oily, greasy wetness, or for friendship, or for beauty also. So snigdha rupa yuktaha sarva eva vinyastaha sthapitaha yadva, or another interpretation, prapte yupochrayaha ityadi shlokatrayam ekanvayam shastrajnaihi karitaha bailvadayaha sarve ete kanchanalankritaha bhavan iti yupanirmanam uktam. So essentially how beautifully they are decorated. Achaditaste vasobhihi
Achaditaste vasobhi
pushpair gandhaischa pujitaha
pushpai gandhaisya pujita
saptarshayo deeptimanto
saptarshiyo deeptimanto
virajante yatha divi.
virajante yadha divi.
So achaditaha te vasobhihi, these 21 poles are sort of, achadita is sealing, achadanam is covering. On the top they are covered by vasobhihi, by various cloths. Pushpaihi gandhaischa pujitaha, well, with mala alankarana, pushpa and gandha also, pujitaha. And so with all the decoration, how are they looking? Yatha divi saptarshayah virajante deeptimantaha tatha ete api rajante virajante ete. Just as in the divi, in the sky, in the divloka, the saptarshayah, just as they glow, those 7 stars, saptarshaya stars, they glow. So also from the top, if you see, these yupastambhas are glowing like them. Now if you see, they are in 3 sets, and so even though they are actually 21, they are finally 3 each. So you can see them as 7 unique sets, 7 unique trees of 3 sets each. So 7 saptarshayah, that's how the simile Valmiki saw it as. Ishtakascha yatha nyayam.
Ishtakascha yatha nyayam.
Karitascha pramanataha.
Karitascha pramanataha.
Chitognir brahmanais-tatra.
Chitornir brahmanais-tatra.
Kushalai shulbakarmani.
Kushalai shulbakarmani.
So Ishtakaha, now initially this Upastamba description is done. Now Ishtaka based the Vedi setup is also being described very briefly here. Ishtakascha yatha nyayam, as per the Mimamsa, as per Nyaya Shastram, Ishtakaha are brought. Karitascha pramanataha, as per the dimensions. They say, they give the spec saying each Ishtaka should be of these dimensions. Accordingly, they are brought. Chitaha is selected. Agnihi, Chita is also Agni. So for the Agni setup, in order to set the Agni, you have to put the Ishtaka around it. So that is being arranged by Kushalaihi Shulva Karmani. Shulva Karma is one of the Yajnanga, which is especially to arrange the these Vedis, Agni, Homa, Kundas. And that is why we have Shulva Sutraha. Shulva Sutraha are also there, which are more geometrical, trigonometrical Sutraha for specific structures and with some basic formulae also, from which these specific structures are derived, specific shapes, forms are derived. And if you are interested about that, there is one in YouTube, you can search for Ram Subramanian. Ram Subramanian ji, professor in IIT Mumbai, but he's a Sanskrit professor. Very rare that IIT luckily has one department given to him where he teaches everything in Sanskritam, sometimes in English also, but he teaches Vedic sciences, Vedic math, Vedic Jyotisham, especially Jyotisham, he does teach. And so he has several short ones. There is one on pi, the pi constant, the pi constant, right? How is that derived? Is that utilized? Is that required? How was it utilized? Why did they have to come up with pi at all? Practically, if we see also. So there is one half an hour small lecture of his. You can see that where he talks about the Shulva Sutras, because they are used in the Shulva Karma. Sachityo Rajasimhasya
Sachityo Rajasimhasya
Sanchitah Kushalair
Sanchitah Kushalai Dvijaihi
Garudo Rukma Paksho Vai
Garudo Rukshma Paksho Vai
Rukma Paksho Vai
Garudo Rukma Paksho Vai
Triguno Ashtadashatmakaha
Trigunoštadashatmakaha Trigunoštadashatmakaha.
So Chayana Samsthanam Aha Sa Iti. So Chayanam is the Agni part, right? In fact, Chayanulu is one of our last names of certain families. I don't know if that last name is there in any other regions. In Andhra, especially, that later became a name also, just like Somayajulu. Somayaji is somebody who does the Somayaga, was given the title Somayaji. Later that became a name. Likewise, Chayanulu also became a name. My great-grandfather's name is also Chayanulu.
All your names end in Lu. What does that mean?
Lu is Bahuvachanam. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam, okay.
So Ramo or Somayajiyon, aisa. In respect we use Bahuvachanam, that becomes the name, part of the name also. Like Shivaji, Ji is already as part of his name, respectful, likewise. So my grandfather is Subbarao, his father is Bhogarao, on whose name my name is given. His father is Chayanulu, Pappu Chayanulu. So anyway, so Chayanam, one who does Chayanam is Chayana. So Chayana Samsthanam Aha Sa Iti. In this sloka, Chayana Samsthanam is being explained. Sachityaha. Chiti, we all know Chiti is Agni, right? So Chiti, Agni, Sachityaha, Chayana Nirvartyaha Agnihi. But in order to do Chayanam, whatever Chiti is arranged, that Agni is called Chayanam. Rajasimhasya, Rajasreshthasya, Anena Purvam Anekadha Anushtita Kratutvam Suchyate. By saying this Rajasimhasya, what is being implied here is this is not the first time he is doing. He has been doing it several times, and so this is the next Ashwamedha he is doing it. So to explain or to imply that this is not the first time. Anena Purvam Anekadha Anushtita Kratutvam. Several times it has been implemented by him. Iti Suchyate. Kushalaihi Riti Bhedam Vinachayana Nirmana Samarthaihi. So Kushalaihi, but Kushalaihi what is skilled? How skilled are they? Vinachayana Nirmana Samarthaihi. Riti Bhedam Vina. Without any differences. Differences as in not opinions. Without any diversions or without any deviations. So if they do 21 Chayanams, for example, all 21 will be perfectly consistent. Riti Vedam Vina, which means without any inconsistencies. That means consistently doable, repeatable. So Riti Vedam Vina Chayana Nirmana Samarthaihi Dvijaihi Brahmanaihi Ritvigbihi Sanchitaha. Sanchitaha means Samyak Chitaha. That means Yatha Shastram Chitaha. Sanchitaha. Kathanchit Ityatraha Garuda Iti. Garudaha Garudakaraha Pakshau Pucchancha Prasarya Adho Vikshamanaha Prangmukham Tishtan Garuda Iva Sthitaha Shena Chitam Chinvita Iti Shrutau Shena Shabdo Garuda Para Eva Suparnavosi Garutman Iti Mantra Lingat. Okay, let me read the whole first the quotations, then I will explain what it is. So various forms of these kunda, yajna kundas they make. So one is Garudaha Rukma Paksho. Paksha is wings. With Rukma Paksha Garuda, that is one big shape of the Agni Kunda that they make. And what are the dimensions of it? Trigunaha Ashtadashatmakaha. 3 times Ashtadasha, 18 counts. So let us see what that is. Rukma Paksha, where are we? Iti mantralingat yadva Garuda prati kritihi, a copy of Garuda, a form of Garuda being done. Jivikarthe chapanye iti vasudevadi pratikratau vihitasya kano loop. That is a vyakarana, why that is loop. So Rukma Pakshaha, which means Swarna Garbha Pakshaha, Sahasram Hiranya Shakalaihi Prati Disham Agnim Prokshati iti sutrat. Sahasram Hiranya Shakalaihi, with golden shakala. Shakala is needles or rods, let us say. So because it is a very big Agni Homa, you see, right? Even in the small Agni Kundam that we do in our home for Agni Karyam or wherever, after a while when it is slowly Agni is diminishing, we try to slightly give it a shake with some rod or something, so that then the remaining wood again catches fire and again Agni is glowing high. So in order to do that, they use the Hiranya Shakalaha. So Sahasram Hiranya Shakalaihi Pratidisham Agnim Prokshati. Prokshanam is, normal prokshanam that we see is, when they, after the puja, from the Kalasha Patra, the tirtham they take, and with that mango leaf or whatever leaf, they sprinkle on all of us, right, for Shuddhi. That is prokshanam for tirtham. Here for Agni, what is the Prokshanam? You don't take Agni and sprinkle it on everybody, right? Essentially to roll it, to move the Agni Kashtas so that the flare will again come up. The Agni will again come up. So that is called Agni Prokshanam. Agprokshati iti sutrat Trigunaha, Triguna Prastaraha, 3 times expansion of what? Prakrutaihi Shat Prastaratmakam Asya Chitti Agnir Ashwamedhi Traigunya Vidhanat. So normally it is Shat Prastaram 6 times, but because it is Ashwamedha, Trigunam of it, so that is 18 times it finally becomes. Shat Chitayo Bhavanti iti Shrutehe. So there will be 6 chitis that are arranged. But for this Ashwamedha, Trigunam they have done. So 3 times 6 is Ashtadashatmakaha, 18. So 18 chitis are arranged there essentially. Shat Chitayo Bhavanti iti Shrutehe. Tristavo iti Sutracha. Ata eva Ashtadashatmakaha. So that is why it is 18 numbers it came to. Nanu Shat Prastaratmakam Asya Chitasya Traigunya Vidhanaena iva Ashtadasha Prastaratmakatvam Siddham Kim Punastad Okay, this is a conversation vakyam from the Smriti that they are picking up here. Uchyate Triguna ityukte Panchachitayo Bhavanti iti Vidhanat Tadidam. Anyway, so the reason I am trying to read the whole Bhashyam is if we think, so what? Yeah, we can quickly run. But I thought at least if we read it once, we may not understand it. We may not be able to apply it as well. But at least we would have done the justice of Runa Vimukti. We said, right? Rishiranam, Devaranam, Brahmaranam. We say all of this. So Ranam Vimukti, we have these runas. At least if we read once and attempt to understand it, we have done our part of Runa Vimukti of it.
So where do they get these details from?
Ji?
All these details, where do they come from?
They come from sutras, right? Like Shulva Sutram, for example, there is one text, and some other Iti Shrutehe. The Govindaraja Bhashyam is only picking these quotes from Shrutehe. Which specific text, I too do not know. But those who are in these yagas, yajnas, they will be able to easily tell us which specific texts.
I see.
Here they are being picked as sort of, just a quotation from
reference points.
Reference points, yes. They're only being quoted here as references from probably several elaborate texts where these are described in detail. But the specific text name, I too do not know. Only one I remember because Shulva Karamani he mentioned here is the Shulva Sutram. That is one text where all these yajna related geometrical shapes are explained there. Niyuktastatra Pashavaha.
Niyuktastatra Pravashaha.
Niyuktastatra Pashavaha.
Tatra Pashavaha.
Tattaduddishya Daivatam.
Tattaduddishya Daivatam.
Uragah Pakshinaschaiva.
Uragah Pakshinaschaiva.
Yatha Shastram Prachoditaha.
Yatha Shastram Prachoditaha.
So from here, this Tantra related texts are coming, which I myself am uncomfortable. So I'm sure some of you also will be uncomfortable. So we'll skip just for the sake of time also. It's already 7:47. We have to cover, it's a 57 shloka sarga. So on these, with these yupa, several, animals are tied. You bring animals and you tie them, right? For example, you bring the ashwa, you tie it there. You bring maybe a cow, tie it there. You bring a goat, tie it there, etc. So, niyuktaha tatra pashavaha tattaduddishya daivatam. For each daivatam, for each devata, one pashava is, one pashu is tied there. Uragaha pakshinascha. Uragaha are serpents, or reptiles, let us say. Uru is chest. Gah gachanti. One who move with their chest is called uragaha. So reptiles, because they don't have other limbs to use to walk, and they are moving with their chest only. So urena urasa gachati uragaha. Uragaha, so reptiles. Pakshinascha, pakshi wings. So ones with wings are called pakshinaha. So birds also. Yatha shastram prachodita, they are brought there. So here onwards, I have put this in italics, though I compiled them as I was reading the Bhashyam. Let me see the video. Prajna and Leena are not there, right? Prajna and Leena are not there, okay. So I'll quickly say what it is. Somehow this text, Tantra, I remember one of the Pandits saying that this is all Kshipta text. This may not be there in the original Valmiki text. And so I'm skipping those. But the Tantra based text, what they say, it's very, very, what do you say, jugupsa, very difficult to read that and accept it. So finally that Ashwa which ran, that strongest Ashwa which went for 1 year, wandered everywhere, when it came back, that is tied to the first Agnishtoma, the Yupa, and then several other animals are tied there. And Kausalya is asked, the Mahishi is asked, in fact there are 3 ones in, if we read that Sloka Bhashyams. Mahishi, Palakala, Patni, and another one. 4 roles of woman of a king. So Mahishi is Kausalya, and in other places 3 other women also. So 4 women. They are given 3 knives and to cut certain areas as a initiation. Later they are sacrificed. These animals are sacrificed. They take the medha from it, which is the fat part from it, and burn it, and they consume that, they say. I don't, because for us it is irrelevant today. So I'm just briefly skipping all of that part. And also Kausalya is asked to sleep there that night. Then the next day morning, we'll jump and from there read. Okay. So Karitas Tatra Bahavo Vihita Shastra Darshanat. All of that is being explained in the previous ones. There are several Chatushtoma. There is Agnishtoma, various homas, and in each homa different organs of those animals are offered, etc. So we'll continue from the next one.
Just one question there. But in our dharma, animal sacrifice is never justified anywhere in our Puranas or anywhere, right?
That is the what do we say? That is the conflict, or that is the controversy that we are trying to avoid here.
Okay.
So there is a research scholarly allegation or claim that in our several of these texts, except the original Vedas, most of our Puranas and Itihasas are also, the texts are through a period of time corrupted with or inserted with certain shlokas by unwanted or wanted, intentionally or unintentionally. Some certains got kshiptaha, they say. And so some people in the scholarly research, academic scholarly works, they say, yeah, these are kshipta shlokaha. As I said in the beginning itself, from 2 points also. One, from the continuity of the subject, suddenly this seems awkward. Mm-hmm. 2, from those who are very linguistic or poetic, they try to find out some shaili bheda. Shaili is the style the poetry style. Suddenly they say, hey, this doesn't seem like Valmiki's style.
The
They
usage
see-
of terms, words,
Huh?
the usage of the terms, the
Correct.
Might
The
have
usage of the terms, the words, they have identified, and there are several research papers on Ramayanam, on Mahabharatam also, where they say, see, for Puranas, not much of Kshiptas are there, but somehow for Ramayanam and Mahabharatam, we don't know if it is an intentional one or not, because these two are treated as itihasas. Right? These are our historical records. And only they have attacked these two, where there are some of these Kshipta shlokas. So let us conveniently avoid them. Conveniently avoid them for now. So Jyotishto Vayushi Chaivam. Somebody quickly, we have to finish.
Jyotishto Mayushi Chaivam
Atiratrau Vinirmitau.
Atiratro Vinirmitam Vinirmitau
Abhijit Vishwajit Chaivam.
Abhijit Vishwajit Chaivam
Aptor Yamo Mahakratuhu.
Apto Mahar Yarmo Mahakrutu
Aptor Yamo
Aptor Yamo Mahakrituhu.
So these various kratus that they have done following that are also being explained. Jyotishtomam is one. Ayushi homam we say. Jyotishtomam Ayushi Chaivam. Atiratrau Rudra Yaga they do even now in Atlanta. They have done in 2015 it seems. Atiratrau. So it will run for 11 nights, 24/7. The yaga has to run. So that's called Atiratrau Vinirmitau. They were set up or they were arranged. And then Abhijit, Vishwajit, Aptor Yamaha. These are three more kratus that are not being done nowadays, but those are also there. Abhijit, Vishwajit, Aptor Yamaha. These Mahakratu were also Vinirmitau. That means they were also arranged and conducted. Prachim. So now all the rituals of the yajna are completed. So at the end of that, you are supposed to give dana. You have to give, because at the end of we say na idam mama, right? This is not mine, and so you offer everything. So as that final offering, these shlokas are now being explained. Prachim hotre dadau raja.
Prachim hotre dadau raja.
Disham Swakulavardhanaha.
Disham Swakulavardhanaha.
Advaryave pratichintu.
Advaryave pratichintu.
Brahmane dakshinam disham.
Brahmane dakshinam disham.
Udgatre vai tathodichim.
Udgatre vai tadodichim.
Dakshinaisha vinirmita.
Dakshinaisha vinirmita.
Hayamedhe mahayagne.
Hayamedhe mahayagne.
Swayambhu vihite pura.
Swayambhu vihite pura.
So, as part of this dana, Swakula Vardhanat Jigisha of Swakula Vardhanam to make sure that his family grows, which means he gets the children in that desire for it. Prachim hotre dadau. Hota. We saw the four ritviks, right? From the four Vedas, specialists from the four Vedas. Hota, Advaryu, Brahma, and Udgata. Right? Those are the four ones we saw. So Prachim, to the east side of his entire empire, Dadau, he gave to Hotre, to Hota. Hotaram is the Rakara Shabda. So Hotre, Like Mata, Matre, Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, we say, right? So Mata is Matru, is the Rakara Shabda. So Matre is the Chaturthi. So likewise, Hota, Hotru. So Hotre, Prachim Dadau, Raja, the Prachim Disham, the east side, Disha, east direction, he gave away to the Hota. Advaryave Pratichim. And Advaryu is the next Ritvik, right? So to the Advaryave, Advaryuhu, Guruhu, Gurave Namaha. We say, right? Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Gurave, Ukarantam Chaturthi becomes Ve. So Advaryuhu, Advaryave, Pratichim, the west side, he has given away to Advaryuhu. Brahmane Dakshinam Disham, to the Brahma, Brahmane, Parabrahmane Namah, Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namah, we say, right? So Brahman is the Nakaranta Shabdam. So its Chaturthi becomes Brahmane. So Brahmane Dakshinam Disham, Udgatre Vai Tatha Udichim, to the Udgata, which is again Udgatra, Rakaranta Shabda. So Udgatre Udichim, Udichi is north. So he gave the Prachi to Hotra, to the Hota, Pratich, which is west, to Advaryu, Dakshina to Brahma, and Uttaram to Udgata. Esha Dakshina Vinirmita. So is arranged as Dakshina. The Dakshina is giving away all of that. Hayamedhe Mahayagnya. In the Hayamedha Mahayagnya, Swayambhu Vihite Pura. As Brahma Nirmite, as established this by Brahma onwards, so also in this Hayamedha Yajna, Dasharatha gave away accordingly. Kratum samapyatu tatha.
Kratum samapyatu tatha.
Nyayatah Purusharshabha.
Nyayatah
Purusharshabha.
Purushashrabha.
Ritvibhyo hi dadau raja.
Ritvibhyo
hi dadau raja. Dharam tam kratuvardhanaha. Ritvijascha bruvan sarve.
Ritvijasta
Chabruvan Sarve Rajanam Gatakalmasham Bhavaneva Mahim Kritsnam Eko Kritsnam Eko Rakshitumarhati. So Kratum Samapya, having completed the Kratu, Tatha Nyayataha, as per the policies, Purusharshabha, best of the men, Ritvigbhyaha, to all the Ritviks, Raja Dharam Tam Dadau, the entire earth he gave away. Even though he is a Mahipati, he gave away entire Mahi. Kratuvardhanaha, also one who has done so many kratus, so one who goes on doing several kratus, Kratuvardhanaha. So, in response, Ritvijaha, Bahuvachanam, Prathama. Ritvijaha cha abruvan, they all then said, Survey, all of them have said, Rajanam, unto Raja, Gatakalmasham, one whose papa is removed. In fact, in those previous slokas, there is one place where they say this entire thing is done because to remove the papa. When you remove any potential papam, then we become eligible to ask for the next boon. So, in fact, we will see that in the next part. Gatakalmasham, unto that sin-ridden Dasharatha, all the Ritviks are saying, Bhavaneva Kritsnam Mahim Rakshitum Ekaha Arhati. Bhavan Ekaha Eva Kritsnam Mahim Rakshitum Arhati. You alone can, protect or rule this entire world. What can we do? Na bhumya karyam asmakam.
न भूया कार्यमस्माकं
न हि शक्ता स्म पालने
न हि शक्ता स्म पालने
रता स्वाध्याय करणे
रता स्वाध्यायकरणे
वयं नित्यं हि भूमिप
वयं नित्यं हि भूमिप
निष्क्रयं किञ्चिदेवा एवेह
निष्क्रयं किञ्चिदेवेह
प्रयच्छतु भवानिति न भूम्या कार्यम अस्माकं. We don't need land. What do we do with the land? Na bhumya karyam. There is nothing for us to do with the bhumi, asmakam. Nahi shaktaha sma palane. Nor are we capable to rule in administering, in palane. What are we? We are rataha. We always enjoy swadhyaya karane. Swadhyaya karanam means in self-study and in teaching. In study and teaching, that is where our enjoyment, or that is what we are into. That is where our passion is. Rata swadhyaya karane vayam nityam hi bhumipa. Bhumipa, O king. Bhumim palayati bhumipa. O king, what do we do with this land? There is nothing for us to do with the land, nor are we able to administer it or rule it. We can only enjoy study and teaching. We are into studies, education. Nishkrayam hi kinchideveha. Nishkrayam is in exchange. Yes, you have already given the donated it. Whatever you donate, we have to accept. But Nishkrayam, can we do some exchange deal? Nishkrayam hi kinchideveha. Kinchid iva iha. After this, Bhavaniti prayachatu. Please give any exchange offer. In addition, is what they are asking. Maniratnam suvarnam va.
Maniratnam suvarnam va.
Gavo yadva samudyatam.
Gavo yadva samudyatam.
Tat prayachana rasreshta.
Tat prayachana rasreshta.
Dharanyana prayojanam.
Dharanyana prayojanam.
They are saying Dharanya na prayojanam. With the Dharani, with the Bhumi, there is no use for us. I mean, see, poor fellows, had they kept that land, how billionaires they would have been by now with the appreciation of the land. Poor fellows, educationists, they don't care for money and all of this. All they want is some source by which they can get their daily life running so that they can enjoy their pursuit of research and all. So they are saying Dharanyana prayojanam narasreshta maniratnam suvarnam gavaha yadva samudyatam tat prayacha. Prayacha prabho venkatesha, we say, right? Please give us. So we don't need land. In return, please give us money, maniratnam, suvarnam, gavo yadva samudyatam. So give us some monies, ratnams, gold, or cows, because they are also helpful. At least if we get milk, our children can drink milk and make some curd, some yogurt, and rice and eat with it, whatever, right? So that is what they are asking. Eva mukto narapatihi.
Eka mukto narapatihi.
Eva mukto narapatihi.
Eva mukto narapatihi.
Brahmanai vedaparagaihi.
Brahmanai vedaparagaihi.
Gavam shata sahasrani.
Gavam shata sahasrani.
Dashatebhyo dadau nrupaha.
Dashatebhyo dadau nrupaha.
Dashakoti suvarnasya.
Dashakoti suvarnasya.
Rajatasya chaturgunam.
Rajatasya chaturgunam.
So, all right, he heard them. The whole point of this Dhanam at the end is to please those Ritviks. What's the point in giving them which is not of use to them? So, eva muttaha narapatihi brahmanaihi vedaparagaihi, thus told, requested by the Vedaparagas, Brahmanas, Narapati, king, Gavam Shatasahasrani, Dasha, 10 hundred thousands, which means 1 million. Abba. Gavam Shatasahasrani, Dasha, Tebhyo Dadau Nrupaha. So 1 million cows he has given away to them. Go, build several goshalas or whatever, right? Dasha Koti Suvarnasya Rajatasya Chaturgunam. Dasha Koti. Dasha Koti is again 1 million. Dasha Koti is how many? Whatever. Dasha Koti Suvarna, golden coins. And Rajatasya Chaturgunam, 4 times Dasha Koti. That means 40 crores of Rajata coin, Rajata, silver. Ritvijastu tata sarve.
Ritvijastu tata sarve.
Pradaduh sahita vasuhu.
Pradaduh sahita vasu.
Rushyashrungaya munaye.
Rushyashrungaya munaye.
Vasishtaya cha dhimate.
Vasishtaya cha dhimate.
Now see the culture. Normally, when all these Ritviks have asked, they have not asked to take it with them and go run away. No. Ritvijaha, all of them, tataha, sarve, vasu sahita, rishyashrungaya, munaye, vasishtaya cha, dhimate, pradaduhu. They gave all this to the Muni Rishyashrunga and Dhiman Vasishtha. To both of them, they have given all these, Dasha Shatasahasrani Gavaha and Dasha Koti Suvarnaha, Chaturgunam Dasha Koti Rajataha, all of that they have given away to Muni Rishyashrunga, Dhiman Vasishtha. Tataste nyayatah kritva.
Tataste nyayatah kritva.
Pravibhagam dvijottamaha.
Pravibhagam dvijottama.
Suprita manasas sarve.
Suprita manasas sarve.
Pratyuchur mudita bhrisham.
Pratyuchur mudita bhrisham.
So tatahate nyayatah pravibhagam kritva dvijottamaha. After that, upon instructions of Vasishtha and Rishyashrunga, hey, we don't need, you take them. Good. You have shown your respect, you've shown your culture by giving it to us, but all right, we are giving it back to you. So with that instruction, nyayataha, so that is the nyaya. Then as per that, dvijottamaha pravibhagam kritva, vibhagam pravibhagam, properly divided it among all of them. Suprita manasaha, very pleased, very well pleased. Suprita manasaha, very well pleased hearts. Sarve bhrisham muditaha sarve, pleased all of them. Bhrisham pratyuchuhu, all of them have very strongly said this. Tata prasarpakebhyastu Hiranyam susamahitah jambunadam koti sankyam brahmanebhyo dadau tada. To run fast, even if you don't repeat, I am quickly reading the sloka. Tataha prasarpakebhyaha, prasarpakaha ityukte yajna darshanartham agatebhyaha, those who have come to attend the yajna, tebhyaha, unto them hiranyam susamahitaha, they gave all the gold that they have received from the Dasharatha. They have distributed that gold to all those who have attended. Jambunadam koti sankyam. Jambunada is another, let's say, another form of gold, another variant of gold, maybe gold mixed with something else. a little lesser value in currency. So Jambunadam koti sankyam brahmanebhyo dadau tada. They gave to the remaining brahmanas also all this Jambunadam. Daridraya dvijayatha
दरिद्राय द्विजायाथ
hastabharanamuttamam
हस्ताभरणमुत्तमम्
kasmaischidyachamanaya
कस्मैचिद्याचमानाय
dadau raghavanandana
ददौ राघवनन्दनः
Daridraya dvijaya atha, unto poor, wretched dvijas, all dvijas. Hastabharanam uttamam dadau Raghunandanaha. So Raghunandanaha, unto poor, destitute dvijaha, he gave hastabharanam, all the golden bangles. So that at least if they can keep it, they will keep it. Otherwise, they will sell it and at least make some money off it. Kasmaischit yachamanaya. That too, those who are seeking, those who are asking in destitute, unto them he gave this hastavaranam. Tatah priteshu nrupatihi.
Tatah priteshu nrupati.
Dvijeshu dvijavatsalah.
Dvijeshu dvijavatsalah.
Pranamamakaro tesham.
Pranamamakaro tvesham.
Harsha paryakulekshanaha.
Harsha paryakuleshana.
Ikshanaha.
Paryakulekshanaha. Paryakulekshanaha.
Tataha, after that, Priteshu dvijeshu nrupatihi dvijavatsalah pranamam tesham akarot harsha paryakulekshanaha. Harsha paryakulekshanaha. With delight, his tear-filled eyes, nrupatihi, who is a dvijavatsala, who is a very, what do you say, who is a favorite of all dvijas. Such king, with all the delight and happy tear-filled eyes, unto all these dvijas, he has done pranamam. Pranamam akarot. Tasyasishotha vidhivat.
तस्याशिशोऽथ विधिवत्
Brahmanai samuddahritaah.
ब्राह्मणैः समुदाहृताः
Udarasya nruvirasya.
उदारस्य नृवीरस्य
Dharanyam pranatasya cha.
धरण्यां प्रणतस्य च
Tasya ashishaha atha vidhivat brahmanaihi samudahritaah. Udarasya nruvirasya dharanyam pranatasya cha. So this Dvijavatsala nruviraha. Nru is Nara. Naranam viraha nruviraha. The Dasharatha dharanyam pranatasya cha. After pranamas with hands, then finally dharanyam, he fall on the ground and did sashtanga pranama unto all of them. So tasya ashishaha, because he is seeking blessings, so all of them vidhivat, as per the vidhi, as per the Vedas, brahmanaihi samudahritah, all of them have given their blessings to him. Tatah pritamana raja.
Tatah pritamana raja.
Prapya yajnamanuttamam.
Prapya yajnamanuttamam.
Papapaham.
Papapaham.
Swarnayanam.
Swarnayanam.
Dushkaram parthivarshabhaihi.
Dushkaram parthivarshabhaihi.
Parthivarshabha, parthivarshabha, gunasandhi. Parthivarshabhaihi, tritiya bahuvachanam. By Parthivarshabha, by the kings of men. Now, Parthiva is mortals. of the Mrit, of the Prithu, of the Prithvi are Parthivas. Parthiva Rishabha is the best of the Parthivas, best of the kings. Even by the best of the kings, Dushkaram, very tough to complete and do. Swarnayanam, one which takes you to Swar, Swaha, Svargaloka. Papapaham, one which removes all the sins. Apaham, apaharati, one which takes away all papas. Yajnam anuttamam, the best of the yajna. Raja pritamanaha parapya, having completed this such a difficult yajnam, the best of the yajna, which removes all the sins, which had been very tough even by the best of the kings to perform, and which gives you the entry to Svargaloka. Such a one having completed that. Tataha abravid tato bravidrishya shrangam Raja Dasharathastada kulasya vardhanam tvam tu kartumarharhasi suvrata. So then he said to Rishyashranga, Raja Dasharatha, tada Rishyashrangam abravit. Unto Rishyashranga, then he said, Kulasya vardhanam tvam tu kartumarhasi suvrata. Now, if you see, now he is saying, please do whatever you can for my kula vardhanam, to expand my family with my children. Give me some children. That means whatever was done so far is only for papa vihanam, papa vihitam, to get rid of whatever sins he would have had, so that he becomes eligible now to seek the boon of children. That is so Ashwamedha, then Putra Kameshti starts in the next sarga. Tatheti sarajanam
Tatheti sarajanam
Uvacha dvijasattamaha Bhavishyanti sutarajan Chatvaraste kulodvaha. So Rishyashranga already blessed him. Tatha, okay, now you have completed Ashwamedha, you are eligible. All right, so now Bhavishyanti, you shall obtain Sutaha Chatvaraha Rajan. O Raja, you will get 4 sons. Kulodvaha, Kulam Udvahanti, Kulodvaha, one who take your family further up in glory. Such 4 children you shall obtain. Ityarshe
Srimad Ramayane
Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Chaturdasha Sargah. Very good. We completed the 14th sloka. We took 1 hour 20 minutes. But at least we completed. The next sloka is the very fantastic sloka. Next sarga is a fantastic sarga. Let's all catch up next Saturday, where the Putra Kameshti will be started. And when that is started, yesterday also I was saying, right, how Daivatra Asita, right? So all gods come there and they will be discussing their problems among themselves. And then they go and seek Vishnu, saying, hey, please do something, man. This fellow is killing us. all the gods will be discussing their respective departmental problems, personal and professional problems. So beautiful sarga, next one. We will read that next Saturday. Sarvebhyah soshachate sudinanchate.
Tushachate sudinanchate.
धन्यवाद भोगा जी.
धन्यवाद
Dhanyavad to you all for attending extra class.
अच्छा.